It's mail time. Now I do have a mailbox over in Newark, California. The address is 34972 Newark Boulevard, box number 253, Newark, California 94560. Most of the time I have pre-arranged deliveries. I know exactly what's coming in. But these things over here, I have no idea what it is. Apparently, I guess if you leave the mailbox there, people are gonna send you stuff. Maybe they wanted to appear on a video. Well, they get their wish because every piece of mail that I get, I will eventually somehow show it at the end of a video, read it, or something like that. So, I have 3 pieces of mail today. Let me open this one up and see what's in it. What the heck? Okay. Babe It. Heart rate monitor. Okay, this is pretty long, so let me read it first and then I'll summarize it. It's 3 pages long. So this is some sort of proposal for me to bring this product to market. It takes your baby's pulse, body temperature, and monitor your baby's sleep through the bracelet. So it's basically an activity tracker for your baby. Apparently the proposal is for me to make it work and then through Kickstarter or Indiegogo. See, when it's someone else's idea, it's someone else's idea. It's no longer my baby anymore. So for that, I probably cannot, go and develop this product for you. This one is shipped to, okay, let's see what this thing is. This is neat. Personal Finance and the Bible. Hidden Lessons No Matter What You Believe. Neil Coleman Bridge. I assume this is probably his own book. This is great, I kind of want to write my own book as well, but I never have enough time. So, writing something that's like, well, how many pages is this? 280 pages. Takes significant time. You can imagine you write like 2 or 3 pages, right? It's like kind of like an essay already, and that'll take you like a day to 3 days or something. So multiply that over like 300 pages. That means this is like 1 year's worth of hard work all bound together. Anyway, let me read this card. Beat the Bush. I love your channel on YouTube. Thank you for providing such great content and congratulations on your success. I wrote this personal finance book a while back and thought you'd enjoy a copy. Some of it tracks your advice. Thanks again, and I look forward to more videos. Neil C. Bridge. Why, thank you, Neil. Beat the Bush, I love your YouTube channel. Thanks for the great content. I hope you like my book. Published 2018, all rights reserved, independently published. Props to you, Neil, because I know how hard publishing your own book is. So I'll give this a read through. Over here, Personal Finance and the Bible. This is from California. From Chino, California. You know what I do with these kind of packages? I like opening up as carefully as I can. This part that seals it, I just kind of try to cut it off like right here. And you know what I do with these packages? I reuse them and I ship stuff back out right along with it. So when I have these packages like these, I don't want whoever I send stuff to see sensitive information that I got from packages. So I try to rip the little label off as soon as I get it. And then I can just reuse this package. What is this? Dodo Cool EQ Plus high-res audio. Was I supposed to review this? Okay, well, left, right. I appreciate this. This thing says in big letters, left. I like that, but I am skeptical if that's gonna block any kind of sound. I bet it will a little bit. Okay, let me turn this thing on. How do I turn it on? Turn it on. Okay, you gotta press it and hold it on for 6 seconds. It says power on after 2 seconds. Now it says pairing. Now I'm gonna be able to see it on my phone. It's paired. Now I can go and listen to it. Let me play some music. I'm gonna play some Daft Punk, I guess. It's very comfortable. For some reason, if I put air pressure over here, I push it against my ears, I can hear the crackling of the drivers. Somehow, if I do it on the left side, I hear more crackle than on the right side. It's comfortable though, and I don't think this is noise canceling, as far as I can tell. It has ATP-XLL decoding, enhances wireless sound quality and transmit audio with low latency. Low latency is not absolutely necessary unless you have visual feedback into your phone, because if it's delayed for half a second, who really cares if it's just audio? This is Dodo Cool. So Dodo Cool, thank you for this headphone. I thought about this Baybit thing a little bit, and you know, I think one of the harder things that people kind of consider as an afterthought, anyone that designs stuff as a bracelet, they need to consider the material. I'm no material expert, but you need a hypoallergenic plastic material similar to all the fitness trackers that's on the market right now. And I assume this might be even more stringent for babies. When you have something sit on your baby's wrist, you might also want to consider having an electronic item as sensitive as a baby is. Will that be okay for a baby? Will it be okay to have, you know, high frequency things, you know, spurious RF emissions that emits from your wrist into your baby? That's arguable if that's okay or not, especially when it's very low power. You also have those audio wireless baby monitors, audio or video, and those also do RF, except it does not attach to your baby. If you have something like this, it needs to be rechargeable, then you end up having to, you know, put it on your baby, take it off every single time. I don't know. It's just something that I don't think I can dedicate a few years of my time to this, especially when this is not my own idea. Who sent this thing? Where's the box? Okay, that's it for today's mail time. Hope you guys enjoyed it.